Hey guys, today I'm at Costco in search of new arrivals for the month of January. I've spotted some amazing finds I think you're going to love, so please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and well, let's get right to it. It's really nice to see a new arrival here in the kitchenware section. I found this water bottle cleaning and drying set. I know there's several bottles that I'm always scared to put in the dishwasher, and I feel like brushes that are specifically for water bottles, they clean a little bit more efficiently in my opinion. This is a nice little set. It's going for $18 right now at Costco. It comes with a bottle brush. It comes with a straw brush, a detail cleaner, and a water bottle drying rack. So this is pretty cool. I know I purchased not too long ago a water bottle brush on Amazon. I'm pretty sure I paid close to $10 for it. It came with like 2 brushes. So I do think this is an awesome price. Now, if you're someone that absolutely loves eggs, I'm definitely one of those people. I probably have like 3 eggs every single morning. Sometimes I take away one of the yolks and do pure egg whites. But yeah, I'm definitely one of those people that really likes eggs. These are going for $20. It fits up to 12 eggs, so it's even ideal for like bigger families too. Some of the accessories are dishwasher safe, and I was noticing that not only can you make boiled eggs, but you can also make omelets, poached eggs. I was also seeing some people make egg bites on this machine, so this is a pretty awesome find. These LED tapered candles are calling my name. These are so pretty. They come as a pack of 3. I only spotted them in black, by the way. But I'm wondering if maybe soon they'll bring like a gold finish. That would also be really pretty. It has 4 glass slides. It does require batteries, but this one's selling for $30 right now at Costco. It comes with a remote control. I guess the battery is also included, along with the 5 AA Duracell batteries that are needed, but it has an all steel frame, and I really like these. They're very fancy. If anyone here happens to be looking for a flatware set, you may want to look into the ones that Costco has right now. These are by Gourmet Settings. It's a total of 20 pieces, by the way. They are stainless steel and dishwasher safe. These are selling for $30 right now, and they're perfect for 4 people. I honestly never realized that Costco sells universal mattress foundations. This is awesome. They do have these in queen and king size. They come with a cover too, which is removable, and the legs are also removable. Although personally, I do like to have legs on the mattress foundation. That way I have a little Roomba and it goes right under the beds, and it's just so easy to clean, especially when we want to get all the dog hair out. This one, it's a 7-inch queen metal foundation with legs, and it's going for $180. But if you're looking for a king size, Costco also has that one, and it's going for $200. And how do we feel about this bath mat? Let me know in the comments section. It's by Seville Classics, which is one of those brands we've seen at Costco several times. They often bring out some of those like kitchen organizers, things like that. These are selling for $20 right now. It's made out of 100% bamboo. It also has non-skid feet, and for anyone that's interested, here are the measurements. These beautiful botanical stoneware bowls are also fairly new at Costco. They come in a total of 10 pieces, and I did notice that these stoneware bowls are smaller than the previous ones we've seen at Costco, and I can say that because I have one of those stoneware bowl sets at home right now. And I did compare kind of like the sizing on them, and these are definitely smaller, so just keep that in mind. 4.75 inches, they're selling for $10, so you're paying about $1 for each of the bowls. But they're really colorful and they're really pretty. We have this LED floor lamp, but we purchased it on Amazon, and let me tell you, Costco has a really good price on it. Pretty sure we paid around $70 for ours. Although we use it on an everyday basis, this is a good deal. It's selling for $50 at Costco. Has a black finish, 7 LED color options, which you can choose from straight from the remote control, which is nice. Usually, too, it comes with a little magnet, so the remote control, won't get lost as easily. Here are some of the different color options you can choose from, and you can also select different brightness levels. If you're someone that likes consuming protein powder, I did find these blender bottles. They're shaker bottles. They also come with their little shaker, which is nice. It really helps break up some of the protein powder, mix the protein powder a little bit better. This one is of 28 ounces and it comes as a pack of 2, so $16. Essentially, you're paying around $8 per bottle. I do think these are of a really good size. They also have this color option, which is black and clear. I really like this little 3-pack of the rib tanks I found by Felina. You can see it comes with a white rib tank, a cream one or a brown one, and also a black one. So it's a nice little set here. These are going for $14 right now. I've purchased, I believe, all the different tanks that Felina brings out. I do remember they're the same brand that brought out the dual-sided tanks. If you guys remember, one of them had like a scoop neck, a V-neck. But anyways, those are like one of my closet staples, so I'm hoping to add these to my collection soon. I did spot all sizes. They had small, medium, large, and extra large. And look at what's back, the Babe Original Essential Lash Serum. You guys have heard me talk about this lash serum several times, and I've been using this product for about 2 years now and actually really like it. It comes as a 2-pack. Costco's got one of the best prices I've seen. $44. It does go on sale eventually, so I recommend waiting. And by the way, if you've been wanting to try it, I recommend that when you purchase it, you start using it and you are consistent with the use, because that's the only way you're going to get results. I always love looking at the skincare section at Costco because I find that they have tons of products that are ideal for like sensitive skin, or some of this stuff is just not as harsh on our skin in general. This one's the Huxley Conditioning Essence. It's going for $28. It's a 2-in-1, and so it's basically a toner. We all know toner can be a little harsh on the skin sometimes, I guess depending on the brand, and it comes with an essence too. It's a prickly pear seed oil. This is interesting. Let me know if anyone's tried it before. We're definitely going to start seeing more Valentine's Day themed products at Costco. These are the heart macaroons and they're so cute. I know these come out every single year, and eventually these also go on sale, by the way. They have vanilla and raspberry. They're gluten-free. And let me show you guys here the price tag. Right now they're selling for $13 and you get 25 of them in each box. Has anyone spotted these crab rangoons in their local Costco? It comes with a sweet chili sauce. This looks pretty tasty. It's by Royal Asia, and Royal Asia is the same brand that also makes the delicious vegetable egg rolls. These are selling for $14.59. You get 20 of them per box, and apparently they're air fryer friendly, so that's nice. $3.75 for 8 minutes, and it says here 4 pieces, around 210 calories. It has around 240 when it comes to its sodium. Has anyone tried these authentic kitchen flautas? They have chicken and cheese in them, along with Oaxaca cheese, lime juice, jalapenos, and cilantro rolled into a tortilla. I love chicken flautas, but I always forget which brand is the one that I actually like. I feel like there's one of them that's soggy and the other one's just perfect. These are selling for $15 right now, and it says here one flauta is around 170 calories, has around 330 when it comes to its sodium. Look at what's back. We have Catalina Crunch. This is their cinnamon toast. Guys, Catalina Crunch is probably one of the best macros and even like dietary fiber that I've ever seen in a cereal. It's keto, by the way, and it's a 24-ounce bag. It's going for $13. I know there's some people here that are always looking for low-carb options, so this is one of them because it's cereal. 1/2 of a cup, actually. It's around 110 calories, 9 grams of dietary fiber, has around 14 grams of carbs. We all know cereal can run between 30 to 40 grams per serving when it comes to its carbs, so it's a pretty nice option. If Nutty and Fruity sounds familiar to you, just know that they're the same brand that also releases those delicious tamarind bites. Now they have these peelable gummies. Let me know if anyone's tried them. I know you have 3 different flavors in the bag, and the bag is of around 20 ounces. It's selling for $9 right now at Costco. They have tangerine, strawberry, and mango, by the way. 1 ounce is around 90 calories. It has around 14 grams of sugar. But I swear, every time I find Nutty and Fruity at Costco, the first thing I think about is their delicious tamarind bites. I absolutely love those. It's been a while since we've seen a different brand come into Costco for sponges. So these are a pack of 12, and I noticed it comes with 2 different types of sponges. They're selling for $18.49, and they come as a pack of 12. The scrubby sponges come in 3 different colors, and it also comes with 3 of the very scrubby pads, which are supposed to be more ideal for like grills and things like that. They're very durable. It says that they have an antimicrobial agent as well, and they won't trap food. So this is interesting. Let me know if you've tried them before. And that is all that I have for today. Remember to turn on your notification button to know when I have uploaded a new video. See you guys next time.